As a gamer, you must have a PC gaming controller for laid-back and relaxing gaming session. However, plenty of companies are making gaming controllers. Finding out the best one from loads of options can be quite difficult. So, to make things easier for you, we've listed up the top 5 gaming controllers considering all the important features and functionalities. So, without further delay, let's jump onto the video.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the SteelSeries Stratus Duo, a well-compact gaming controller that is compatible with all modern devices such as Android Mobile, Windows, VR, and Chromebooks. Without any software and drivers, this 2.4 GHz wireless device ensures lag-free gaming experience on Windows and other devices. Plus, with Bluetooth wireless connectivity, it's easily paired with the Oculus Go and Gear VR. Now, you can enjoy your favorite mobile game with this gaming controller because it's compatible with mobile devices as well. Moreover, this gaming controller is integrated with a rechargeable battery that delivers 20 hours of non-stop gaming experience. Furthermore, its high-quality hardware lasts for a long time. Compared to other traditional counterparts, its magnetic Hall effect triggers are more durable and maintain their snappy and reliable performance in the long run. In a nutshell, this device is best for those who want to use their gaming controller on multiple devices. Now, it's time for the number 4 spot. The Logitech F310 is an integrated gaming controller and the most affordable device on our list. It's easy to use and works with Chromebook, Android TV, and is also compatible with most modern PC games. To give a more responsive and tactile feel, this device is equipped with D-pad glides with 4 individual switches. Moreover, this wired device comes with a 1.8-meter cord so that you can play games from a comfortable distance. Thus, in terms of comfort, its ergonomic design with smooth curves and contoured rubber grips ensures long and comfortable playing sessions. In brief, if you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming controller that supports all kinds of PC games, you should pick the Logitech F310. Presenting the Sony DualSense Wireless, a compact gaming controller that brings you into the real gaming world. With the haptic feedback technology, you'll get the real feelings of everything from environments to the recall of different weapons. Besides, its adaptive triggers allow you to experience multiple levels of force and tension as you interact with your in-game environment. Now, you can easily chat with your friend using the built-in microphone or by connecting a headset jack. Furthermore, with one click of the Create button, you can easily capture and publish your most epic gaming moments. Compared to other generations, Sony has brought a huge evolution in terms of comfort. Its small size can easily adapt to any kind of hand and you won't feel pain during long gaming sessions. In short, if you want to experience more immersion in games, the Sony DualSense Wireless is for you. Jam-packed with lots of advanced gaming features, the Razer Wolverine Ultimate Gaming Controller delivers a great user experience on your gaming journey. This wired gaming controller is integrated with 6 programmable buttons that ensure hassle-free control during gaming. For advanced gaming and accurate control, this high-profile device is loaded with 2 remappable multifunction bumpers, 4 multifunction triggers, and a quick control panel. Furthermore, it comes with interchangeable thumbsticks and 2 interchangeable D-pads, so that you can customize your game controller according to your convenience. Making your gaming experience more exciting, Razer adds a wide selection of customizable lighting effects and stunning profiles. Its ergonomic design perfectly adapts to your hand and playstyle. After long hours of gaming, you're less likely to feel any wrist fatigue. In short, gamers who love to have a comfortable and user-friendly gaming controller, the Razer Wolverine Ultimate can be the best choice for them. And finally, we have the Microsoft Xbox Elite Wireless Controller, one of the best PC gaming controllers that provides you an unparalleled level of control over your gameplay. A true wireless gaming controller that is easily connected with Windows PCs, tablets, Androids, and iOS devices via Bluetooth. Apart from that, it's included with a 9" USB-C cable to connect with Windows PCs. This premium device comes with adjustable tension thumbsticks with 3 tension settings that deliver you a more controlled and comfortable gaming experience with great accuracy. Thanks to its robust battery, it can give you about 40 hours of uninterrupted gaming without you having to worry about battery draining. Besides, this gaming controller comes with a wireless charger that assures faster charging. If you're a PC gamer and don't mind paying a high price for a gaming controller, the Microsoft Xbox Elite Wireless Controller is for you. So, that was all about the top 5 best PC gaming controllers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.